Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for Atchafalaya and East Blanche Bays. Coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles. Vermilion and West Blanche Bays until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northwest of Vermilion 31 to near Lower Atchafalaya River, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 217, South Marsh Island 239, Marsh Island, South Marsh Island 249, Eugene Island 57, Eugene Island 24, South Marsh Island 236, Eugene Island 28, South Marsh Island 243, Vermilion 24, Vermilion 67, Vermilion 31, Vermilion 51, Atchafalaya Bay, Eugene Island 63, Eugene Island 30, Eugene Island 32, Vermilion 26, Eugene Island 42, and Eugene Island 53. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.